Hey everyone, welcome back again. So today is day 10 of solving DSA. Um, and I have also said that I want to start studying regarding my projects. Yesterday I was pretty not sure about what I'm actually solving. When it comes to regarding prefixum, don't really know very much about it, but I have actually learned a bit today from a YouTuber. I actually don't know his name, but I would tell that a specific video on like prefixum concept is the best video until today that I have watched. It's he has a better explanation, even more than Striver. He does a very good explanation on some topics, or like he basically has a playlist on patterns, so he actually does good. So I'll mention that in the description. You can guys check. I don't know if I can mention something in live. I guess yeah, I can do it. Okay. So one thing that yesterday I faced is I could not apply prefixum to 2D matrix, right? Prefixum, what I got to know about prefixum is you calculate the entire sum and then you minus how much until what you want. That is actually the agenda that is behind prefixum, I would tell. Until to my knowledge, that is what I would tell. So, on not making late, let us start it. Um, yeah, let me start. Share my screen. Sorry, I just woke up from my nap. Is there any football fans? If you guys are watching, so this is the question that we have wanted to do today. I'll reset the time. Okay. Okay. Perfect. it's greater than 0, then top will be p of I minus 1 and j, and it will be 0. Int left will be, if j is greater than 0, it will be of I followed by j minus 1 is 0. Int top left is equals to I greater than 0 and j greater than 0. If this is the thing, then it will be of 1 minus 1 is 0. Then p of I, that is prefix of I and j, would be, this is the formula, matrix of I and j minus, it will be plus top plus left minus top left. Okay, this is you build a prefix sum matrix. Okay, now you have to actually get what. Now is the logic where you put in to get this. I mean, so you will be using this thing. So to that is run a loop. Okay. Okay. In R1, row 1, what you'll find row 1, that is the thing. That would be maximum of, what is the thing here? I mean, it would be 0, comma, I minus k. Similarly, int C1 will be maximum of, this is the first part. I mean, first row and first column. This is the next row and the next column. This is the end starting and this would be the ending. Okay, 0, comma, j minus k. So here you will be choosing the maximum out of it. When it comes to here, you will be choosing minimum out of it. Okay, next, int R2 will be minimum of m minus 1, that is the end, I mean the size, end size minus 1 with I plus, yeah, I plus k. Int c2 would be minimum of n minus 1 comma j plus k. Okay, you got the minimum, maximum, this what the row, I mean the row and the column number. Now what you have to find? So what would be the total? Total would be prefix of, we have already got it. It would be the prefix of the second row. I mean the R2 with column 1. I mean, if this is the 2, I mean 1, when you take the prefix sum of 1, 2, 4, 5, the prefix sum of 5. I mean, yeah, wait a second. I'll just tell you. Um, See, when for the first one, R1 will be when I is equals to 0 and J is equals to 0. So R1 will be minimum, sorry, maximum. That would be maximum of 0 comma minus 1 will be 0. C1 will also be 0. Okay. Now when it comes to R2, 2 minus 1. Minimum would be 1. C2 will also be 1. Well, now so total will be prefix of R2 followed by C1. That would be 1 of C1 would be 0. I mean it would be a first row. I mean this one, and the column would be this one. So for which it would be 5. Actually, the perfect sum is 5 over there. Minus. Okay. Wait a second. That is the total you're getting. Okay. Mm. Now here we have to find, once you find out the total, there will be some overlapping. So for here so for this one you need to know the top element, left element, and then the top left element. So in order to get the top element here, if in case R1 is greater than 0, we'll be using ternary operator, then it will prefix of R1 minus 1 followed by C2, else it would be 0. In left would be, that means if C1 is greater than 0, it would be prefix of R2 by C1 minus 1, else it would be 0. In top left, in order to find in top left, you will see where R1 and R1 is greater than 0 and C1 is greater than 0. If this is the case, then it would be P of R1 minus 1 followed by C2. Oh, yeah, followed by C1 minus 1. Else it would be 0. Okay. Now we will be calculating answer of I and J. That would be total minus top minus left plus top left. Then you will return the answer. Okay. So here what happens? You have to check. Okay, you see, you have got the R1 as 1. Sorry, R1 as R1 C1 0, R2 C2 as 1. Okay. So you have set the prefixum to be 5 minus. The top would be, what would it be top? See, R1 is not greater than 0, so it would be 0. That's left would be 0. Then mm-mm. Okay. I haven't declared, so I forgot to declare and I'm declaring it. Uh, what's still wrong? Does ABS here? 1 second. I guess I have to declare it outside. Uh-uh. The other mistake that I've done, one I'll tell you. Okay. The other mistake that I have to here, it should be C2. I hope this runs well. Okay. Align. Okay. But it should be not. It should not be. I'm not getting the error. I had Lico AI, but I lost Gemini. I'm not getting what actually the error means. Does it means that we should not use that I should not use int or something like that? Or did I go somewhere wrong? I don't think so, because my logic is proper. P is not allocated the size. It has been given, right? Okay, it's not M. I have correct. I have done it properly. Then what's the problem still? Oh, it's correct. Some no, it would be correct. But here it will go wrong again. The loops. Okay, there is an error in loops. Okay. Why do I have to change when everything is proper and I'm getting the runtime error? Okay, this is J plus plus. I guess only that is the bug. Yeah, it's running well. Oh. I feel like I have to run. I have to do it again. I don't know. I have done it. Small claps for this. I'll do it again. I don't know this. I like it. Oh, let me submit. So that is one question, and for today I'll be ending the stream. Um, I'm pretty much happy that I can try run something. Um, see you all and have a great night. Bye bye.